National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Union, Logan, Hardin, extreme eastern Auglaize, until 1 a.m. At 12:11 a.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from northwest of Ada to west of Alger to west of Russell's Point, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Storm hazards include destructive winds to 80 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Ada, Alger, Russell's Point, Dunkirk, Bell Center, Bell Fountain, West Liberty, Kenton, Forest, West Mansfield. In addition, State Route 195 at State Route 235, McGuffey, Huntersville, Roundhead, Lewistown, Walton, Dola, McMorran, Jumbo, Huntsville, Blanchard, Silver Creek, Northwood, Grant and Patterson are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. Abandon mobile homes and vehicles for more substantial shelter. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor and avoid windows. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant damage to property. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.